friends, welcome to my channel Learn and be updated with Anika. আজকে আমরা জিওগ্রাফি অফ ইন্ডিয়া বা ভারতের ভূগোল সম্পর্কে কিছু ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট কোশ্চেন্স নিয়ে আলোচনা করব, যার পার্ট 1 আমরা আগের ভিডিওতে ডিসকাস করেছি। এই ভিডিওর ডেসক্রিপশন বক্সে এর লিংক দেওয়া আছে। আজকে আমরা পার্ট 2টা ডিসকাস করব। ফার্স্ট, ম্যাচ দ্য টু লিস্ট। লিস্ট 1 physiographic region and list 2 hills or range. List 1 first Arabian Sea, second Karnataka Plateau, third Satpura Mountains and fourth Himalayas. And list 2 first Mismi Hills, second Delhi Ridge, third Baba Budan Hills and fourth Muikal Range. The correct answer is D. Arabian Sea is Delhi Ridge. Arabian is situated in Delhi, so Arabian is Delhi Ridge. Second Karnataka Plateau is Baba Budan Hills. Satpura Mountains, Muikal Range. Muikal Range is offshoot of Satpura Mountains. And Mismi Hills is situated in the Himalayas, so Himalayas Mismi Hills. So answer is D. Next, the Western Ghats in Maharashtra is known as answer Zojila B. The Western Ghats are known by different local names. In Maharashtra and Karnataka, they are called Zojila B, Nilgiris in Tamil Nadu, and Annamalai and Cardamom in Kerala. Next, which city of Gujarat is associated with salt production? Answer D. Gandhidham. Next, which of the following cities is situated on the mouth of Tapi River? It is also known as Tapti. Answer Surat. The Tapi River, length 724 km, rises from Multai in the Betul district in the Satpura Hills. It makes an estuary falling into Gulf of Khambat in the Arabian Sea after cutting through plains of Surat. So the right answer is Surat. Which one of the following is in the rain shadow of the Western Ghats? Answer Baramuti. Baramuti falls in the rain shadow region and experiences relatively light monsoons because Baramuti region is situated in the leeward side of the Western Ghats. Next, arrange the following Indian states in descending order of their geographical area. First Maharashtra, second Karnataka, third Rajasthan and fourth Tamil Nadu. Answer D. First Rajasthan, second Maharashtra, third Karnataka and fourth Tamil Nadu. Next, pH value of moderately alkaline soils varies between answer 7.8 to 8.4. pH is a measure of how acidic or basic water is. The range goes from 0 to 14 with 7 being neutral. pH of less than 7 indicate acidity, whereas a pH of greater than 7 indicates a basic or alkaline. So as answer, the moderately alkaline soil is 7.8 to 8.4. Next, in which of the following states of India uranium is embedded in the igneous and metamorphic rocks? Answer C. Rajasthan. In India, uranium is embedded in the igneous and metamorphic rocks in Jharkhand, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh and some parts of Himalaya. A substantial source of uranium deposits is also found in the monazite sands along the Kerala coast. Which of the largest physiographic region or division of India? Great Indian Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau or Deccan Plateau covers an area of about 16 lakh square km, forms the largest and oldest physiographic division of India. Which of the following earthquakes was the severely devastating and disastrous? that occurred in India? Answer. Bihar earthquake in 1934. Next. Which of the following steel plant is port-based? Answer. C. Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam steel plant was separated from Steel Authority of India Limited and Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited, was made the corporate entity of Visakhapatnam steel plant in April 1982. Vizag steel plant is the only Indian shore-based steel plant and is situated on 33,000 acres and is poised to expand to produce up to 20 MT in a single campus. Next, during which of the following year National Water Policy was formulated in India? Answer. 1987. National Water Policy is formulated by the Ministry of Water Resources of the Government of India to govern the planning and development of water resources and their optimum utilization. The first National Water Policy was adopted in September 1987. It was revived and updated in 2002 and later in 2012. Next, find out the correct sequence of the following passes from west to east. Answer. First Zojila, second Shipki, third Lipu Lekh and fourth Nathu. Zojila is situated in Jammu and Kashmir, Shipki in Himachal Pradesh, Lipu Lekh in Uttarakhand and Nathu is Sikkim. This is the correct sequence of the following passes from west to east. Next, what is the correct sequence of area under cover in India and descending order? Answer. First alluvial soils, second black soil, third red soil and fourth laterite soil. In India, mangrove is most important tree of answer tidal forests. Next, saline soils are the result of answer high rate of evaporation and very leaching of the soil. Next, the Vale of Kashmir is the only level strip of land in the Himalayas. Which river has laid its deposits to form this level plain? The correct answer is D. Jhelum. The Kashmir Valley, also known as the Vale of Kashmir, is an intermountain valley in Kashmir. The valley is bounded on the southwest by the Pir Panchal range and on the northeast by the main Himalayan range. It is approximately 135 km long and 32 km wide and drained by the Jhelum River. So the correct answer is Jhelum. About 85% of the total iron ore production of India is from, the correct answer is Jharkhand and Odisha. The iron ore reserves of Paschim and Purbi Singhbhum districts in Jharkhand, Keonjhar, that is Kiriburu, Sundargarh, that is Bonai, and Mayurbhanj in Odisha, among the best in the world. These two states together produce a major share of the country's total iron ore production. So the correct answer is Jharkhand and Odisha. The climatic conditions under which erosion is most rapid are answer hot and moist. Because high temperatures and greater rainfall increase the rate of chemical weathering, and second, rocks in tropical regions exposed to abundant rainfall and hot temperatures weather much faster than similar rocks residing in cold and dry regions. In the subcontinent of India, the region frequently affected by tropical cyclones is the answer B. Coromandel coast. More cyclones form in the Bay of Bengal than in the Arabian Sea. As such, the eastern coast, the northern part of this coast, is known as the Northern Circle. বা উত্তর সরকার, and the southern part, that is Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, is known as Coromandel coast. It's more prone to cyclones, and about 80% of the total cyclones generated in the Indian Ocean strike the east coast of India. Next, which of the following regions is not affected by the monsoon of the Arabian Sea branch? Answer: D. Punjab plain. Arabian Sea branch provides rains to Western Ghats, interior parts of peninsular plateau, Gujarat, and reaches Rajasthan, Haryana, and Punjab. Deserts in Rajasthan don't let the moisture to get condensed as rain. Also, by this time, the winds are less moist, and thus rainfall is comparatively less. So, the Punjab plain is not affected by the monsoon of the Arabian Sea branch. Next, the broadest part of Himalayas lies in, answer: C. Jammu and Kashmir. Next, the main species of the coniferous forest of the Himalayas between the altitude 1000 meters and 3300 meters are, answer: A. Cedar, pine, pine, silver fir, and spruce. Next, the Bundelkhand Plateau covers parts of which two of the following states? Answer: B. Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Bundelkhand is a geographical and cultural region and also a mountain range in central and north India. The hilly region is now divided between the states of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, with the larger portion lying in the latter state. Next, which one of the following places in India ranks second among the coldest places in the world? Answer: A. Draj. Draj in Jammu and Kashmir ranks second among the coldest places in the world. A lonely town in the infamous Kargil district of Jammu and Kashmir, Draj is popularly known as the gateway to Ladakh. It is known to be the coldest place in India and often was as second to the coldest place inhabited on earth. Next, which of the following ranges separates the Kashmir Valley from the Indus River Valley? Answer: C. Great Himalayan Range. Next, which one of the following rivers does not make a delta? Answer: C. Tapi River বা Tapti River. This is due to the fact that the west flowing rivers, especially the Narmada and the Tapti, flow through hard rocks and hence do not carry any good amount of silt. Hence, these rivers are not able to form distributaries or a delta, only form estuaries before they enter the sea. Next, which one of the following rivers does not flow through Himachal Pradesh? Answer: A. Jhelum River. The Jhelum River is a tributary of Indus and is located in eastern Pakistan, northern India. It originates from the Bharinak spring in Anantnag district of Jammu and Kashmir and flows into the Chenab River. So, Jhelum River does not flow through Himachal Pradesh. Next, which of the following hills forms the northeastern edge of the Chota Nagpur Plateau? Answer: A. Rajmahal Hills. The Rajmahal Hills forming the northeastern edge of the Chota Nagpur Plateau and mostly made of basalt and are covered by lava flows, that is basaltic lava. Next, the Vale of Kashmir lies between, answer: B. Pir Panjal and Jaskar range. Kashmir Valley, also known as Vale of Kashmir, is a valley in the portion of the Kashmir region administered by India. The valley is bounded on the southwest by Pir Panjal range and northeast by the main Himalayan range. আমার এই ভিডিওটি শেষ পর্যন্ত দেখার জন্য আপনাদের সবাইকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। যদি আমার এই ভিডিওটি আপনাদের ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে প্লিজ লাইক এবং শেয়ার করুন আর কমেন্টে জানান আমার এই ভিডিওটি আপনাদের কেমন লাগলো এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে কিন্তু ভুলবেন না। সাবস্ক্রাইব করে বেল আইকনটি ক্লিক করবেন যাতে আপনাদের কাছে আরও নতুন নতুন নোটিফিকেশান আসতে পারে।